Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I am your English grammar educator and I have brought the part 4 of your chapter number 5, which is adjectives. Okay, so in this video, we are going to study about the words much, many, little, a little, few, a few, and so on. So let's see. We use much with quantity, many with numbers. You have to understand where much is being used and where many is being used. Okay, we can say that we use much with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. Okay, much work, much trouble. These are uncountable nouns. Okay, many children, many customers. You can count the number of children, you can count the number of customers. So this is used. Little, a little, few, a few. We use little with quantity, few with number. Okay, so little is used when you talk about quantity and few when you can count. Okay, little means almost none. A little means some. Okay, so a little is a little less than little. Similarly, few means almost none. A few means some. Okay, so when we add a to few and little, it becomes a greater number, slightly greater. For example, little help, almost no help. A little help, some help. Few listeners, almost no listeners. A few listeners, some listeners. Okay. Elder, older, eldest. Okay. These words. Use elder and eldest only with people. So, elder and eldest are used only with people. We do not use these words with animals or things. ये words हम लोग animals और things के साथ use नहीं करते. These words are only used with the members of same family. Okay, same family में ही ये इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. My elder brother is a doctor. My elder sister has gotten married. Her elder sister has gotten married. So here the word elder, eldest is showing elder. Elder is older than you, okay? And eldest सबसे बड़ा, सबसे old, okay? But if we use then in a sentence, we use older, not elder, okay? The word older, not elder, is used as a sense of comparison. John is older than his sister. Older and oldest can be used with people as well as things. And the word older and oldest, these are not restricted to the family. These can be used for people as well as things. We can say the oldest book. Ritesh is the oldest boy in our class. This is the oldest house in our street. Okay, these are the words. So let's evaluate. Play the guessing game. One student thinks of an object, animal, or a people but doesn't say it loud. The student describe it with adjectives and things. They use 3 to 5 adjectives to describe without naming the object. Okay, and rest everyone will guess. Okay, so this is a very interesting game to play with your friends. Okay, the next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. I have dash money than my brother. I have little money and less money. We'll say less. The the bus was only dash minutes late. Few. The bus was only a few minutes late. I do not have dash hope of success. Much or many. A success is a quantity. It cannot be counted. Much. We chose the dash of the two evils. Fewer or lesser? Lesser. I apologize for causing dash trouble. A little, a few. A little trouble. Dash people turned up to see the match. So we are talking about people. So we write many. I felt unhappy because my friends were dash of hell. Little. ठीक है? Fill in the blanks with elder, older, eldest or oldest. So you have to use these words. Alok is dash than Neeraj by 2 years. Is older. Older. So in the spelling older. These caves are dash than any other caves. These caves are older than any other caves. The word than is here. Varna we would have used the oldest. These caves are the oldest among any other cave. Can you name the dash book in the world? The oldest. Mr. Bhatia has 3 sons. His dash son is an engineer. Eldest. We are only 2 brothers. My dash brother can sing very well. My elder. So how did I decide when to use elder and when to use eldest? It was based on number 3 and 2. अब 2 लोगों में कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो एल्डेस्ट तो नहीं हो सकता, एल्डर होगा। अब 3 में कंपेयर किया जा रहा है तो एल्डेस्ट वाले को ही हम एल्डेस्ट एल्डेस्ट यानी सबसे बड़े को ही हम इस वर्ड को यूज करके बता सकते थे एल्डेस्ट। ओके, fill in the blanks with correct form of adjective given in the bracket. One day my dash brother began to test my knowledge. My older. Who was the dash king of Mayura dynasty? Who was the powerful? Who was the most, and you write powerful, king of Mayura dynasty? He asked. I have dash knowledge of history. I have a little knowledge of history, but I am dash confident that I know my geography and general science. I am very confident. Okay. All right. Mount Everest is the dash peak of the world is in India. The highest peak of the world is in India, right or wrong? Wrong. It is in Tibet, Nepal. Of the 2 peaks, Mount Kanchenjunga and Mount Nanda Devi, which one is the dash highest? Which one is the higher? The word the is used, so we have to write highest. Mount Kanchenjunga. Which planet is the dash close to the sun? Closest. And which one is the dash from the sun? Farthest. Of South Korea and Thailand, which country is the dash richest? You know these subjects well. It was a dash pleasure interacting with you. It was a great. We'll not change this. Okay? So that was it for this chapter. I'll see you all in the next chapter. Until then, you have to take very good care of yourselves. You have to keep studying. You have to keep growing. Thank you, kids.